are we coming to the end of the panel, or you have award announcements, right?
Yes, we have award announcements waiting for the top performing states in police and safety. Let me share my screen.
So anyway, since we have two of them, the number one state, of course, that we had evaluated was uh, Andhra Pradesh. There was a huge number of nominations from Andhra Pradesh, so they have improved their rank from number 4 to number 1. Similarly, Kerala has improved their rank from number 6 to number 4. So both of them are finding part in not just top performing states, but also top performing DGPs of police. Now here, let me just, so congratulations to you, Mr. Samang, and congratulations to you, Mr. Behra. Let me, before I ask you to speak, I'll tell you the challenge I face is that, I also find that police is fiercely competitive. So if people have been calling me and asking me, so I had not named people, but they say, so how come so-and-so state has become number 1? So I said they participated and they had so many nominations. So how do they have so many nominations? We don't have so many nominations. Why is it that small things? So the point I actually always award, which looks at incremental improvement. So every police state should logically have as many nominations as the number of police stations you have. We are not asking for where did you not perform. But if each one of your police station did not even incrementally improve in one area, any one area of their choice, then there is a problem. And this is nothing that you have to locate for me. This is a dashboard that I'm sure every DGP police would have. That which police station performance parameters, and therefore if this police station has improved in this should be my nomination. And we are very happy to look at it because we celebrate small things. For big thing celebration, there is Niti Aayog and there's everybody else. We celebrate only micro level because these are the things that add up to the big picture. So I think every state can have hundreds of nominations. Why not? I don't know how many police stations you have. So even if 10% of your police stations have shown incremental improvement, then so be it. And then I come to the point of Mr. Gautam Samang that it may be individual driven, travel driven. So they take this initiative. Then how do you make sure this lasts and it's sustainable? So let me give you another framework. In Government of India, we have this aspirational district framework where everyone has the same parameters. It also measures incremental outcome. How come that every state's performance is different? So it is finally people who want to work will work. So you cannot run away from champions. So whichever methodology you use, whether it is the same large numbers, incremental improvement, give everyone the same playing field, you'll still find that there will be some winners even in the same playing field. So it is absolutely level. And therefore, I am very happy that after almost an year of evaluation and hard work and, and this ranking means nothing. It just means that, you have shown huge amount of incremental, you've made a huge amount of incremental difference. That is what governance is all about. It doesn't mean that, for past 70 years, you are the best police state. I have no authority on that, nor as, the past 69 years, any reflection on what this last 1 year should have been. It just takes into account that one window. It salutes and applauds people who've done an excellent job. So starting with Mr. Behra, congratulations to you, sir, for doing such a remarkable job over the years, and this year again, improving your performance. If you'd like to say a few words, we'd be happy to hear
Amit, thank you very much. Your backdrop is beautiful and you have good photographs on the back, and I thank you very much. It is basically, I attended this particular thing because you told me that we learn from each other, Gautam or myself or all these people. See, it is not the question of competition. It is the question of complementary actually working.
Exactly.
We should work in tandem for the actually service. Indian police service is not for actually a particular state. It is for the whole country. So whether I work in Kerala or Gautam working in Andhra Pradesh, our basic objective is to serve the people, to bring a sense of security in their mind. So various people actually adopt various methods that are being evaluated in the various ways. But I will be very happy because Scotch has actually become a very important kind of, the certificate is so beautiful and it is so large also. And we keep, I mean, we have hung something in the police headquarters with the golden embossing, etc. I would request, sir, Samir sir, one thing. Maybe from next year, you actually rate the police stations. Some of the police stations that is the basic thing which we normally have to actually look for. If the police stations are good and they do good service delivery, actually the police will do justice to their work. And they should be, SHOs should be recognized and given awards. Actually, MHA does that every year during the DGIG's conference. One police station is regarded, but you also doing it will be actually boosting something on. You can put some parameters on the basis of that evaluation can be done, and you can even take some feedbacks online from the people they are serving in that particular jurisdiction. How do they rate their own police station? Whether
Sir, just to share with you, as of today itself, police stations can apply. It's just that they don't. In some states, they do in large numbers. And that adds up to the state score. So we are saying we are very open. Police stations can apply because that is where exactly what I said, that if each police station has incrementally, even on one, they may have gone bad on 10. I really don't care. Because to criticize that, there is mainline media. They keep whistleblowing all the time. No one celebrates success. We look at not what you've done wrong. We only want to see what you've done right. If you got one thing right, we want to salute and applaud you for that and see if there is any learning from there. So by all this year, let every police station or as many police stations as possible from Kerala compete. The nominations are open. Gurshan, am I correct in saying that? There's no bar on police stations applying, right?
There's no bar.
None whatsoever. And in fact, I think some other states, a lot of police stations have applied.
Hello.
Yeah. So with that, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank
all
you,
of it is documented. See, the best part about our award is it's documented, it's available online. So like you say, we learn from each other. You can actually go to the website and say, actually, so what happened where? And it's not removed. It's there for you. So Mr. Samang, congratulations to you for a very large number of nominations. So have you gone down to the police station level for nominating for Scotch Awards yet, or you're going to start this year?
At the outset, let me really express my happiness and gratitude to Scotch for having given us this acknowledgement. I mean, it does mean a lot to us because, as you rightly said, incremental improvement. Now, we are in such a situation and a scenario post bifurcation of the state. We lost all our institutional capacities. It got left behind at Hyderabad. So we started here from the scratch. It's almost like a government in exile, that kind of scenarios. All the superstructures, other than what's on the ground, got left behind at Hyderabad. So then with that kind of a baselines that we have started, but then small improvements and innovations that we were able to bring about has definitely gone about to create an impact in terms of police deliveries. I'm not talking about our efficiency, our transparency, our accountability, but also the deliveries, access to police services. And there were so many, very many innovations and initiatives, which not only the police headquarters, but more so, it's at the district and the unit levels where we had all IPS officers, quite a brilliant lot of them. All they needed was some kind of an encouragement and kind of a goading to demonstrate their penchant for trying to bring about change and making a difference. So that could be seen in the kind of entries that was made. Police station level, I don't think we have had any entries from Andhra Pradesh, but I think there will be a new parameters, I think, which will come about. We shall also look at that.
So why don't you help us? Both Mr. Behra and yourself and maybe Sutapaji, why don't you give us 4 or 5 simple parameters that we can use, which police stations may not have difficulty, filling up, because they're very busy people.
Correct.
They're extremely busy. So what could be some 4 or 5 simple things that they can be evaluated on? And then we can obviously do the popular vote and look at how their people feel about them and so on and so forth. That would be an invaluable service to us, because we would not know what are the right questions without putting a mountain of paperwork on them, and they really don't need it. They're very, very tight. So if there could be a simple form and some parameters, I'd be grateful if you could mail us that.
I think I'm sure we can work on that. Behra Sahab, I'm sure that he can
Yeah,
take the lead.
Gautam will actually give some parameter. I'll send it across to you. You just actually wait it, add something. Ravi is there. So both of you can just send it. I'll send it to by tomorrow. I'll mail it to you.
Thank you
Right.
so much. And so then we will
Right,
let
sir.
us create Gurshan a separate form just for police stations, and let's see where we go.
We will take care of that.
So thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you all and everyone. And congratulations.
Thanks to the grand old man of crime criminal systems, Mr. B.N. Shetty. You have kept the Ministry of Home Affairs flag flying for so many years. God bless you for that.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Shetty, Sutapaji,
Sutapaji.
Mr.
Thank you so
Sawan,
much.
and Mr. Behra. Thank you very much for joining us.